pretty much anywhere, anytime. And many people start their fitness journeys with push-ups. Now, the thing with push-ups, you're either good at them or you're not. And so it's kind of tough for people when they start out because they feel like almost like they're not good at push-ups. But in reality, it just takes time to build that upper body strength. So here are 3 tips to help you on your journey at working at push-ups. Now, they could be things as far as starting on your knees. It can be things as far as being elevated higher up. And I want to help you guys. So remember these tips when you're doing your push-up. Now, one of the big muscles involved in a push-up is your pectoralis muscle. That's the big muscle you see right here. Now, another muscle involved is your anterior deltoid. That's the front of your shoulder muscle. This motion here is called horizontal adduction, and it's a big part of growing your chest. That's why people do push-ups as a chest exercise. Now, another muscle that is a part of your push-ups is your tricep. Your tricep is a 3-headed muscle. Now, the head right here is your medial head of your tricep. This head right here will be your lateral head of your tricep. And this head in the back will be the long head of the tricep. Note that they don't attach in the same spot. And that's why doing certain motions affect your triceps more or less depending on the exercise. So in a push-up, having your hands at a different point might change what part of your tricep is working a little bit. Now, if you can see, all of this is happening at the elbow. So as the first part, we had horizontal adduction with the chest happening from moving the arm closer to the body. Now, the movement that you're having at your elbow is affecting your tricep. And that is how both of these muscles work in your push-ups. When doing a push-up, you don't have to start from the ground. You can start from an elevated position on an object like a bench. This will make the exercise easier for you. Start by placing your hands shoulder width apart. We're going to crunch at the abs and tuck our pelvis underneath, squeeze our glutes, squeeze our quads, and lower ourselves down to the bench. And then we're going to drive our arms through the bench, propelling ourselves back up. At the gym, using a bar in the rack can be very helpful to developing your push-up power. So if you start with a very high position, that'll make the exercise easy. If you start with a very low position, that'll make the exercise harder. So adjust for your needs. Now continue with push-ups 101. A foam roller is an excellent tool to help you get started. We're going to place this foam roller long ways. You're going to lay across it with your chest. And what we want to do is we want to drive our hands through the ground to propel ourselves up. Now, if you have the ability to focus on squeezing your glutes, squeezing your quads, and contracting your abs while you're doing this, this will greatly help you in propelling you to do a push-up without the foam roller, because those things help stabilize your body as you drive yourself up off the ground. Now, when you feel comfortable, take the foam roller out. Repeat these things on the ground. Drive your hands through the ground, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your quads, contract.